Welcome my friends. Today I'm gonna show you how to turn your phone as mouse and keyboard using PC remote software.
First thing is first. Subscribe my channel. It is very help for me to get 1000 subscriptions.
Click first link in the description to download this software to PC. After download, simply install it like in the video.
Now move into your mobile phone and download mobile version of this application. Follow the video after you download it. Get it on Google Play Store, Apple App Store or as a APK file. I'm already downloaded, let's open it. Check that box and press OK. Turn on personal hotspot in your mobile phone. Now connect it from your PC. Move on to the PC and open PC remote receiver. Move again to the mobile phone and click connect button down there. Check this box and press OK. If you are connected hotspot correctly, it will show your PC there. Press 3 dots on the corner and press keyboard icon. Simply rotate your phone. It's done. Thank you my friends for watching this video. I hope you hit the like button, add subscription for my channel.